Home Remedies presents. In just 3 days, remove stomach fat permanently. Lose weight super fast, 100%. This cucumber lemon ginger water is excellent for quenching your thirst in a healthier way. Plus, it promotes hydration, supports weight loss, aids digestion, helps improve your immune system and skin appearance. Starting your day with cucumber lemon ginger water is a simple habit that can bring you health benefits in the long run. It's not a quick all-solving remedy, but it can have a big impact on your health if you transform it into a routine. Let's see how to make the remedy. Do not miss the end. Ingredients: 1 liter purified water, 1 cucumber cut into slices, 1 inch ginger peeled and cut into slices, 2 organic lemons cut into slices, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Directions: pour half water and boil it. Then place the ginger in it and close the heat. Let it steep for 30 minutes to 1 hour or until it's barely warm, preferably cold. Then add all other ingredients. Add the other half cold water to fill up the pitcher. Cover and transfer to the fridge. Let it infuse overnight. Strain and drink it first thing in the morning and whenever you need. Hot water or cold. When preparing this cucumber lemon ginger water, it's best to steep the ginger first. Let it cool and then mix it with other ingredients and more cold water if needed. Here is why. The vitamin C content in lemon decreases as the heating time and storage increases. Cucumber is also heat sensitive, so it is best to be added last with cold water. As for ginger's antioxidant capacity, it doesn't decrease much when exposed to heat. One study actually found that moist heat treatment induced significantly higher quantity and potency of ginger's bioactive components. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.